You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this, yes indeed, confusing word. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary in English, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you pronounced as erythematous. Erythematous. The stress is on the th syllable, which can be pronounced either the or the. Erythematous as well, or erythematous. The T can be pronounced either like a T, erythematous, or erythematous. The American pronunciation is a flap T that sounds like a D. Erythematous, or erythematous, or erythematous. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.